I heard that Magic John was one of the best screen protectors, so let's go ahead and try it out. All right, so inside the box we do get our cleaning kits, we got our little scraper tool, and then we do have 2 screen protectors. All you gotta do is just place it right over your phone. All right, so first we're gonna pull. Then we're gonna take this and we're gonna peel here. Swipe, and let it do its job. Next we'll pull off the cover, and then we'll pull off that plastic, and then if there's any bubbles, we're gonna smooth those out of here. All right, so we got edge-to-edge display. I'll show you before I put the case on there. Now we got the screen cover on, edge-to-edge display. And this one is a privacy screen as well. So if we tilt it, they're gonna no longer be able to read what is on your screen. So facing you is gonna be just fine, but anybody next to you won't be able to see what you're reading. Now this is the Magic John screen protector. It goes on pretty easily and it works pretty well.